Guys, welcome. Today we have a powerful gem, a strategy with super trend and an oscillator that is incredibly simple. So if you want to enter your trade confidently and understand where the price is headed, this video is exactly what you need. So let's get straight to it. Our indicators are set and now we just need to find the right entry point. Here is a great moment and I'm opening a down trade for 1 minute, guys. Super trend is our key indicator and it's great for identifying trends, but we won't rely on it alone. So our goal is to confirm the signal using the oscillator. Super trend settings, ATR period 8 and multiplier 3. These settings are ideal for 1 minute time frame. And the trade is a bit volatile, but the oscillator confirms the down trade. So we wait for a logical outcome. And yes, we keep the oscillator settings as default. And the first trade closed in profit. So what do we see? The price moved close to the super trend line, which often indicates a signal shift. The oscillator provides a strong confirmation for a down trade, but I'm entering an up trade. Guys, important, super trend hasn't signaled a trend reversal yet, but we entered early because the oscillator confirmed it. And here comes the super trend confirmation. Waiting. Okay, the trade closes in profit, guys. Here is our third trade. This is a textbook buy signal. So why am I entering this trade? We bounced off the super trend line downward, meaning the trade is still strong. Well, I'm sure you can see it yourself. The oscillator is above the zero line, confirming the straight of the trend. And waiting. Guys, another well-earned profit. Okay guys, this strategy as simple as it gets, but risk management is key. Also remember, never enter a trade based on one indicator, always confirm your signals. Success rate is around 80%, but don't remember about 20% of losing your trade. Also, don't risk your entire deposit on one trade. This is the biggest mistake beginners make. Subscribe to my Telegram channel where I trade live and share the best insights. Link in the description. Also like this video and leave a comment. So see you in the next video.